How to set password in Chrome browser. Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll explain how to secure your Google Chrome browser with the password, which is absolutely free. Many people are concerned about their security and privacy and want to ensure that their browsing history, extensions, and settings remain private. You can easily lock your Google Chrome so that only you can access it. It's simple and can be done in few easy steps. You'll find the link in the description for an extension called lockpw. Once you have added to it Chrome, you'll need to set a password for unlocking your browser. Make sure it's not easily guessable. You can also provide a password hint in case you forget it. Once set, the password protection will be turned on. If you close and reopen your browser, it will prompt you for the password. To disable the password protection, click on the puzzle icon at the top right, find lockpw, click on the pin icon, and then click the power icon to turn off the password protection. This simple method adds an extra layer of security to your browsing experience. That's all for today. This is how you can set password to your Google Chrome browser. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!